Christmas tide on high. In the morning no magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. So I pretty much just got up like an hour ago. I'm doing the online learning with the kiddies, so they're in like their little school and stuff. So while they're doing that, I'm just trying to finish cleaning up the kitchen. This is Cameron. I'm trying to finish cleaning the kitchen. So I basically just been like wiping the stove. Well, I washed the dishes and stuff and put the dishes in the dishwasher. Hold on, you try the angle so y'all can see me. So I put the dishes in the dishwasher and now I'm just like wiping the stove and cleaning the stove.
I'm not doing that other one. I'm doing this one.
Okay, go sit in the living room.
That one is hard.
So yeah, I did that.
Oh my God.
So let's just finish cleaning. We're gonna be like a clean with me. It's gonna start off, we're gonna clean together, guys.
What is the teacher?
So my olive bottles, they are all empty, and no, we cannot drink them all by ourselves. When we have like just little small gatherings, we will have that, or like if a friend or something came over. And some of them are also sparkling cider as well. So this is it for breakfast. I just have some oatmeal. This is how I like my oatmeal to look. I like it super plain. I always eat this brand, the Quaker maple and brown sugar. That's like my favorite one. So this is breakfast. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how I make my little coffee when I'm not spending my money on freaking Dunkin', what is it? I get Starbucks. So this is a little different because I don't always do this, but this is like caramel syrup, and I'm gonna just drizzle it up in there. Depending on how much caramel you like is how much you would add. Just like if you was to get Starbucks, they'd be like how much pumps of caramel. You do it like that. Me, I'm obsessed with, y'all know, anything pumpkin spice. So of course my creamer is pumpkin spice. Boom. We're gonna pour our little pumpkin spice up in here. Now this is actually very sweet, so make it to your tasting and your liking. So now we're gonna go put our little Keurig on. You're gonna turn our Keurig on. My Keurig needs water, so I need to add some water in there. That's it. Cool. Hold on, let me add the water first. So I'm gonna use the donut shop. This is nice. Sheesh. Hold on, y'all. Technical. Okay, so anyway, like I was trying to show y'all, donut shop. This is really not my favorite, but this is what we got. I need to buy some coffee tomorrow, so we can buy coffee tomorrow. I always make mine strong, ice, and then I like a big cup of coffee, so I do this one, and then you'll see in a second like the coffee is gonna come out. And boom, you got your coffee. So if you make it this way, it's easier. And the coffee will basically be ready. Then the only thing I'll add is like a little bit of sugar. So that's it. I just wanted to show y'all how to make my coffee because I need coffee to get through the day, y'all. So stay tuned to what's gonna happen today. So I am back. I have not spoke to y'all since earlier in the kitchen when I was cleaning. So pretty much what my day has consisted of, I sat here and I curled my hair, but then I brushed the curls out like always because I never keep it curly. I done did my makeup. As you can see, I'm about to try and upload this IGTV video in a couple of, not a couple of minutes, but probably like an hour or so. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put up yesterday's vlog right now because y'all gonna be watching this in another day. So I did pre-film this day just so I'll be ahead and stay on top of all my Vlogmas days, because let me tell y'all, my life can be really hectic and very crazy and all over the place. So you know, I gotta stay on point with that. But yeah, that's it. This vlog was a little, I don't know, I guess you could say this was definitely like a day in the life at home with me. Y'all just see the things that I do. I showed y'all what I ate for dinner because I'm not doing anything too exciting today, unfortunately. Today was a very chill day, so sorry guys. But I am gonna show y'all my outfit. Hold on, let me take this camera off. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit from Target. I may or may not have this Target video up, honestly, but I feel like I might. I feel like I'm gonna just get it out the way and just post a video so you guys can see it, because I feel like so many people sleep on Target. Like, they have so much fire that's in there. So I don't know, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna try on the pieces, because the rest of the pieces that I do have is like shirts, so I probably won't try on the shirts. I probably will just like talk to y'all in the video, show y'all this stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna try it on. But anyway, let me stop rambling and show y'all this outfit. So hold on. I know, for it to be shorts, it was warm. So y'all, this is the outfit that I had on today. This is from Target. Okay, it's super cute. I did go ahead and get my sweatshirt oversized. So I got my shirt in a large. Normally I wear medium, but I got it in a large. I've been really into like that whole oversized bag. What am I talking about? Oversized look. I've been really into the oversized look. So my shirt is in a large. My pants I have is a medium, but I feel like they fit kind of like not loose, but maybe I could have honestly got a small, to be honest, in the pants. They definitely give you room, but like I said, I've been really into that whole oversized type of vibe. So yeah, this is just kind of like a little outfit of the day. I already done showed y'all how my makeup looks. Y'all see we in my living room. So yeah, that's pretty much it. She's a whole vibe. She's a cutie. Also, I've been washing clothes too. Like, I've been washing clothes all day today as well. I just didn't show y'all me washing clothes because I felt like that's boring. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm sorry, Vlogmas day 3 was a little boring. Sorry guys. Maybe tomorrow will be, you know, more exciting, more fun. I don't know, because I have to work, so y'all wish me luck. I'm trying to show y'all. I think I may get a Jamba Juice though, so maybe I'll show y'all that, but I don't know yet. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you mañana. Later mamas.